Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I talk about KPIT solution hiring program. So guys, this is a very good job opportunities for the candidates who are searching for the job. So let us go to the today job update. KPIT solution hiring freshers bachelor degree and the post is graduate trainee engineer and location is the across the India. So what is need for the job, what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply, how can apply, all the your questions in that video. I tell all the answers and all the information about that drive, so watch it carefully. So friends, see the eligibility criteria. First criteria is bachelor degree. If you are from electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, that student can apply for the job. Second criteria is if you are passed out from 2020 batch, only those students can apply for KPIT company. Third is academic record, means you have a minimum of 60% in 10, 12, diploma, B and BTech. Another criteria is no year gap during graduation. In your graduation, no any kind of gap is included. Only those students can apply. No active backlog, means in your graduation or in current education, no any kind of backlog is. This is very important criteria, and students should have completed their graduation in 2020. So guys, I already tell that only 2020 batch student can apply for that. Other student cannot apply because this is not eligibility criteria. So good communication skill, aptitude to learning technology, critical thinking, analytical skill, all these are the eligibility criteria. So those are eligible, apply, hurry up, because this is very good of job opportunity, and the location is across India, and you get a salary up to 3.6 lakh per year. And guys, see the carefully, there is a 2-year bond of the company, and if you are selected from the interview round, company give some benefits to you. So what is that benefits? See, performance excellence in our genesis, means KPIT conducted some training program for the freshers or the candidates who are selected in KPIT, and if your performance excellence in that program and you are continuously in top 5%, then your CTC, means your package is grow up to 10 lakh per annum in 5 years. Guys, this is a very good job opportunity. Those candidates who are passed out from 2020 batch, and company give other benefits, that is benefits in medical insurance up to 6 lakh, personal health insurance 5 lakh, personal accident insurance 20 lakh, free annual health check and employee and their members. This is the very good benefits. So guys, study hard and apply for this job, and hurry up because before the last date you can apply. So how can apply for the job? These are the very main thing. So before that guys, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, because I uploaded all the videos about company job vacancies on the daily basis. So do subscribe my channel. So how can apply? Guys, you find a description box a link of the company, so click on that link and you directly land up in the official website of the company, and there is a open one form in front of you. Fill that all information correctly and then apply for the job. Click on apply button, and your form is successfully submitted. Guys, hope you got all the information about this job, and if you are any doubt, any questions, drop a message in comment box. I definitely help you in that questions. If you are any questions, so I definitely help you. Thank you so much.